just came in this awesome box. The hair cap came with it, comb, bobby pins. How about the they gave me a hair clip, love me hair clip, the wax stick, tweezers, a little case to put everything in, and the hair. Let's see what the hair looked like. I'm about to do my hair. I'm so excited. And then I'll give you a review. Okay, this is the hair straight out the box. It's really thick. I don't see no shedding right now. This is the lace. It's, you know, not too dark, not too light. It has the band. You can take it off or keep it. It has the combs in it on both sides if you need it or not. And yeah, it's a 10-inch curly hair by Luvme Hair. I'm gonna go ahead and start the process and show you what it looks like. I don't really so like these clips right here because it's hard to take off and I'm scared that I'm gonna cut the lace. So I'm gonna just throw this bad boy on, and if I have to make any adjustments, I'll do so. So, ooh, it's really soft. I love it. I love it. Let me fix this lace. I put foundation on the lace to match my skin color. Okay. Trying to make it fit just right. So before I cut it, the lace, I want to mess it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gold spot on. Yeah, this hair is pretty sexy. You guys have to try it. It was I got it for Cyber Monday, and it came in no time, about 4 days, fast shipping. It's a nice little holiday cut. It's nice and soft and thick, no shedding. I just absolutely love it. I'll have to order me another one before they sell out. This is Luvme Hair. I only paid, let me see, about $85, free shipping. Yeah, so give it a try. Hope you like it.